Sometimes it's not so easy, even for a remote sensing professional, to precisely identify agricultural field crops from above. Can you really be sure by looking at a satellite image to know what is growing on the ground in the field? But what if you have to be sure? Well, then you have to go and pay the field a visit. You have to get closer to the plants for the right interpretation.
At EFTAS, we interpret thousands of arable parcels each year to monitor agricultural practices. We use aerial and satellite imagery as part of our agricultural subsidy checks for the European Commission. For these checks, we have to identify crops and agricultural practices very precisely and with a low error rate. We use a combination of satellite image analysis, visual interpretation, and field checks to ensure that the results are correct and reliable. During the field checks, crop photos are recorded. Our surveyors are well trained and very experienced staff, but errors are human. So previous to the crop analyzer system, we always had to double check all field photos and their crop identification by an independent operator. Every year, we carry out more than 20,000 agricultural on-site inspections. During these inspections, crop photos are taken and crop types manually recorded. A time-consuming job, which we wanted to optimize. Beginning in 2018, we started using artificial intelligence to optimize these double checks. We implemented an artificial neural network that performs automatically large parts of the verification process to ensure the correct crop type identification. It allows to automatically recognize and confirm the most common crop classes in Germany using only the field photos. That's about 80% of all the crop photos for our controls in Germany.
Our crop identification requires a high precision. That's only feasible with the use of self-learning artificial intelligence.
What we did a few months ago is build a prototype web application to showcase our artificial intelligence approach. That's the EFTAS Crop Analyzer. The website is free for testing. You don't have to register, and it is very easy to use. You can easily upload your crop photo and send it to the web service for identification. And a few seconds later, you get the result. Namely, the confidence value of the identified crop. That's the estimation of the model regarding the accuracy of the predictions.
The Crop Analyzer tool is a productive system used by EFTAS. It employs artificial intelligence and helps us to work more efficiently. With regard to our agricultural monitoring controls, the system achieved an accuracy of over 92%. We increased the overall quality of our system output and at the same time reduced the costs for the photo checks by 30%. Future plans within the European Common Agricultural Policy foresee a closer involvement of farmers to upload photos of their fields for quick confirmation and identification by the official agricultural agencies. Here, the crop analyzer system could greatly support the workflows. The system can support field campaigns, for example, to collect reference data for the validation of Copernicus products related to crop types. But for now, please test our EFTAS Crop Analyzer, and of course your feedback is welcome.